Hello guys! Welcome back again to my channel. So if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon para lagi kayong updated sa mga new upload ko. So for today video vlog guys, syempre, ayan, meron na naman tayong i-review na product mula sa sponsor.
Sponsor time!
Guys, ayan, kung interesado kang malaman kung ano ang laman ng package na ito, dyan ka lang, hindi pa ako tapos. So yun guys, start na tayo. Na-unbox ko na ito kahapon guys, kaso hindi ko natapos yung aking video kasi nakita ng baby girl ko at nagustuhan niya, so nag-iiyak siya, so hindi natapos yung pag-review. So ulitin ko yung review now. So ayan guys, yung ating product for today na i-review. O diba guys, sino ba naman hindi magkakagusto niyan guys? Diba, iniyakan talaga ni baby girl yan. So isa siyang pretend play makeup set. Ayan. So, thank you so much, Tepsmigo. Ayan siya, guys. So, ang ganda ng packaging niya, guys. Nice ang packaging. Look, very colorful. Ayan. Pink and purple and blue. Ayan, ang kanyang pinaka color, guys. And meron din white. Diba? Ang cute, guys. Oh, nakita nyo? Pink na pink. So, very shiny din yung kanyang packaging kung nakikita nyo guys, ayan o. And then, magandang cardboard yung ginamit nila guys. May makapal yung cardboard. So, yan siya. Meron nakasulat dito na, warning, siyempre, choking hazard, small parts, not for children under 3 years old. So, yan siya. Ang brand niya is Tepsmigo. And then, ayan siya. Made in China. So, buksan na natin ito guys. Excited na ba kayo? Excited na akong makita guys kung ano yung itsura ng nasa loob nito. So, unbox na natin ito. Oh my God!
Wow!
Wow guys! Look at this! Ang ganda guys! Look at that! Oops, meron pa siya sa loob. Ayan, meron siyang thank you message. Ang cute din ang kanilang thank you message guys. Ayan. Play, learn, and grow together. Ayan. So, meron siyang dear customer, may message siya dyan. Thank you for purchasing our products. In order to thank you for your support, we'd like to send you a gift as long as you share your shopping experience. Ayan siya guys. And then, what free product you will get from us. Ayan, so ano ka lang dito guys ng opinion mo. And then, pwede kang mag-claim ng free gifts nila. Ayan, sa baba yung mga free gifts. Ayan, dito. Wow!
Wow!
Ang cute niya guys. Tignan mo, may glitter-glitter pa. Ayan, kulay pink. Ayan siya guys, ang cute. So, ang cute ng kanyang pinaka suitcase guys. Ayan, or bag. Ayan, so meron siyang 4 na dito, metals dyan, pinaka-legs, para hindi ma-scratch yung pinaka-bag. So, ang cute guys. Meron siyang silver handle. Ayan. So, I think hindi siya aluminum. Parang plastic lang yung kanyang pinaka-handle. And meron siyang zipper. Ayan, zipper siya until here. So, ayan siya. So, buksan na natin to guys. Wow!
Nice!
Nice! Andiyan si Dylan sa
You like
side,
it?
guys. I do like it. Do you like it?
Yes.
Oh, he like it, guys.
But I cannot.
Wow! Look at you guys! I'm so excited for this
For
one.
girls.
Guys. Yes, it's for girls. Look, guys. Meron siyang sunglasses. Ang cute-cute naman yung sunglasses na to, guys. Pink na pink. Oh, diba? Kasya sa akin. Kasya siya sa akin guys. And then, so meron siya. Ito na guys. Ayan, tignan mo, halos pink guys. Oh. So meron siyang garter dito. I think dito mo ilalagay yung mga brushes. So, ayan yung kanyang looban, guys. Medyo malalim yung dito. So, pwede mong lagay yung mga makeup kit dyan.
Look, I'm wearing this on.
Yeah. Sorry kayo sa maingay, guys.
I like to wear
Andyan
that.
siya sa gilid. Ayan, guys. Naka-ziplock pa siya para sigurado.
Now I need to take it off.
Ayan. Meron nito, guys. I think eyeshadow ito. Ayan, mga eyeshadow. Ang cute.
Because you don't new.
So, ito yung kanya mga brushes.
Wow, blushes.
Wow, meron siyang iba't ibang klase
Nice,
brushes,
right?
guys. Yes,
Like
very
it?
nice. That, guys.
I also like it, right?
Yeah, yes. But this is for girls. I think this is mascara.
It's wristed.
Oh, yeah. It's mascara, guys. So, syempre, wala
But
siya
it's
kasi
nothing on
pretend lang naman, di ba, guys? Wala siyang laman sa loob. So, empty siya. So, meron din yan. Isa pa, may glitters. Mamaya tingnan natin. So, merong bottle. So, spray bottle. Wala rin siyang laman, guys. So, props lang talaga siya. Pang pretend lang. Meron siyang lipstick. Wow, pink na pink ang talaga ang lipstick niya. So, para siyang ano, para ito, guys, ano siya? Rubber. Nag-rubberize siya. Pero, hindi siya, ano, guys, hindi siya totoong lipstick. Pang pretend lang talaga sila, guys. Pero ang cute, parang totoo siya, guys. Tingnan niyo, oh. Mas na, ano pa.
A spray bottle. Spray.
So, meron siyang foam. So, I think this one is blush on. Look, may nail polish pa, guys. Ang cute. So, yung nail polish, guys, is also empty.
Spray bottle.
So, it's also empty, guys.
How do I?
Tepsmigo Pretend Makeup and Cosmetic Bag Set is your best choice. Why? Fake but real. Kids can play them as long as they wish without harming skin. Oo nga, guys. Kasi nga, hindi sila totoo. Eye-catching realistic design inspire kids' imagination and creativity. Ayan. So, yung anak natin, guys, hindi naman importante sa kanila kung real makeup yan or fake lang. Basta, nag-e-enjoy sila, guys. At kung yung kunwari mini-makeupan ka, so, masaya na sila doon, guys. And then, mess-free pretend makeup set. Saves mom expensive cosmetic. Number 1 talaga yan. So, ayan siya. Then, fashion little lady. Keep your little girl stylish with this adorable cosmetic bag. This trendy bright bag is perfect match with the dress and skirt. She will take it like a fashion little lady and put it down. Ayan, pwede rin parang bit-bitin ito, guys, sa iyong fashion. Diba? Pwede mo siyang lagyan ng mga abubot na mga bata or accessories ng mga bata. So, pwede nilang gawing OOT dito. Itong ating bag na ito, guys. And then, trendy pinkish handbag. The adorable pinkish handbag is made of high quality material. So, the zipper closure will ensure accessories and avoid loss. Ayan. Place all essential makeup accessories into the cosmetic bag and take it on the go. So, ilalagay lahat dito yung ating mga makeup kit, guys, na fake makeup kit para hindi mawala after mag-play. Ayan. So, ayan siya. Ang itsura niya. So, diba, guys? O, diba? Pwede rin maglaro sisters to sister. Mag-pretend sila, guys. Diba? More fun. So, help develop essential skill. Pretend play makeup sets for kids will encourage the development of their own beauty style and fine motor skill. Also, good din ito, guys, sa fine motor skills. Enjoy the pretend makeup play for hours of mess-free fun. So, yan. Perfect gift for girls ito, guys. So, pwede siya sa Christmas, sa birthday, sa Valentine's Day, Easter, surprises, or just because you feel your little one deserves it. Ayan, you deserve it too, so you don't have to clean up the mess. So, ayan. And then, so yun guys, bago nyo bilhin, you can check the features and details. So, nandyan siya guys. So, hindi ko nababasahin kasi masyadong mahaba. Pero, guys, yung ating pretend play makeup set. So, like I said guys, very safe to sa ating mga anak kasi non-toxic. Dahil nga hindi sila totoong makeup guys. Fake lang sila halos. So, made of foam lang yung mga colors na nakikita nyo dyan guys. So, more fun to sa ating mga anak. Pwede natin itong iregalo sa darating na Pasko, sa Valentine days, sa kanilang birthday or Easter prizes guys, di ba? Naglalagay tayo ng mga sa Easter basket, di ba? Pwede ito guys. Ayan, pwede na rin to sa ating mga friends na magbe-birthday ang kanilang mga anak. Ayan, so ang cute ng pouch niya. So I highly recommended this one. So ang ano ko lang guys, kapag naglalaro yung ating mga anak, is pantayan natin kasi very small parts like this one guys. Yung cup niya, pwedeng isubo yan ng ating mga anak at ika-choke nila. So kailangan silang bantayan. And then ibibigay ko kay baby girl to guys. So, titingnan ko kung anong gagawin niya. Kasi alam naman natin yung ating mga anak guys, diba? Napakalawak na mga imagination ng mga yan. Ang hilig nila mag-explore. So, minsan nagugulat na lang tayo sa mga bagay na nagagawa nila. So, yun guys, bantayan lang natin habang naglalaro. So, I highly recommended this one guys. It's worth $17.45. If you wish to purchase, you can check the Amazon link dyan sa my description. So, for today, see you on my next unboxing. Bye guys.
DJ Gan.
so good.